In this video, I'll show you how you can lock and hide chats in WhatsApp. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. First thing to do is to go to Google Play Store and make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version. As you can see, mine is already updated. If it says update here, just go ahead and update your application to get the latest features of the app. Now we'll have to go back to my WhatsApp account. If I want to lock and hide the chat, all I have to do is tap on that conversation. Then we'll have to tap on the account's name. And under account settings, you'll see this chat lock option. Just tap on that. If you're using an iPhone, you'll have to use your Face ID to enable this chat lock. But since I'm using an Android phone, all I have to do is use my fingerprint. After that, tap on this View Options. As you can see, I now have this conversation here on my locked chats. This also will hide that conversation in your conversations list. Now, to access the locked chats, all I have to do is scroll down and this locked chats options will appear. Tap on this locked chats option. Then I'll use my fingerprints, and after that, I'll be able to access those chats that I have locked. That's how easy you can lock and hide chats in WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you out. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.